It's been sitting in my stash for at least 2 years. I'm not even kidding. I don't use it. So I was like, it's time for you to go. I already used it anyway. And I already made a video with it, so. And it is lemon scented. Where I live, it's so easy to get the Joy powder. Not where I live. I'm in California, so it's really hard to find those powders. I don't have access to Joy. If not, I would love to do a Joy overload, but I don't. And I only have 4, so. Hello from Yoruba Valley. Oh, you're in Yoruba Valley. No, you're up here. You're in the Bay Area, aren't you? How much? I live in the Bay. I'm in San Francisco right now. I actually came from Riverside. I came from Temecula. It is Riverside County back there, so yes. I live in the Bay. No way, what part? Are you like in San Francisco? Oh Lord, You wanna buy Mexican products? I have a big stash. You don't even have to pay for shipping. What? I am dead serious. You don't have to pay for shipping. You are very, very close to me. So if you are interested, let me know. I have a lot of that penalen from Mexico, a lot of Mexican powders. What else? Yeah, I have a little bit of everything. So if you do want to get together, we can totally hang out, and then I can sell you whatever you want. Oh my God, you guys think that we're gonna be overflowing? Because this is a lot. It's gonna be a lot of powder in here. Goodness. Wait. I'm always doing some crazy shit. I'm not even joking. I almost broke my sink. And then now we're overflowing the pool. We're making a big mountain again. Hey, that sink was so fun. I'm not gonna lie. And you know what? It was so fast. The way I cleaned, it was so fast thanks to Pinky. She actually, we called each other and then she was letting me know how to clean it fast. Okay. Bye, sponges. I'm not even kidding. Like, I thought I was gonna break the sink. I'm surprised it didn't. I should have sifted this. Ooh, sorry. This is not sifted. Oh my goodness. Open. Oh, good Lord. Is it stuck? Nope. It's good. It should be good. Woo! Go on top. I'm gonna add the rest of the 4 cans fresh cans on top of the recycle. Just so it can be mixed. I wasn't even gonna repost the sink overload, but I still did it, so I don't know yet. The Maui one. Oh my God, what if it turns back into recycled powder? I'm probably gonna end up just saving it. If we turn this pool back into recycle after all this powder, I'm not gonna add that pine pinealin. And then we can use the pine pinealin for the rinse, like Foca. I have 15 cans left to be sold out. If anybody wants to buy the rest, that is all the powder that I have. Please keep sharing the live. We are making a big powder mountain again. What? That sounds like my car. Anyway, share the live. Get more people in here. Oh my god, this one's super hard. It's not gonna break. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, it's gonna start overflowing. No. I don't know why, but I don't celebrate my goals. I don't know why. But this time I actually do want to celebrate with a Mexican product overload. Since I'm also trying to get my stash to be smaller, we are going to be doing a Mexican product overload. Ooh. I don't know, I just didn't think I was ever gonna hit at least 17, not what, no, like, oh my goodness, it happened, what? Thank you, wow, that is freaking amazing. I am so grateful right now. I want to do the Mexican overload right now, but I do have to clean everything. But we need to do that Mexican overload soon. All Mexican products. Okay. You guys, for the celebration, I'm gonna buy balloons. Are you guys okay with that? So I am gonna buy I'm gonna buy some balloons for 17K, and I don't know, I'll make it look pretty, okay? I will make it look pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you for 17 beautiful K followers. Look at this. I have 3 more cans to add. I was gonna have people celebrate with me, like I was gonna send a DM to people to help me do like a overload. I don't know, I might do it. I might pick 17 people to do the same overload. The same products, everything the same. 17 people, but I don't know yet. I don't know if I should. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Last can. If anybody wants to buy Mexican products, I will be selling within this week. I am gonna start selling products, okay? So make sure you message me for whatever you need. I will be posting photos. What else? Yeah.